Your community firefighter Damian Bullock and his brother Sam are the wizards of Dryer Vent Wizard of New Haven County, and they say only you can prevent dryer vent fires in your home. Protect your family and what you own. Prevent dryer vent fires, carbon monoxide poisoning, mold and mildew, high energy costs, and excess wear. Go to newhavendryervent.com to schedule a dryer vent wizard or call 203-638-5003 to book your appointment. Dryer Vent Wizard of New Haven, a neighborly company.